figure below shows a circle of diameter 7, which means that this entire thing will be 7 cm. Okay, so which means that this is 3.5 cm. This is the radius, right? And this is also the radius, so it's 3.5 cm. Now they're asking for what's the perimeter of the figure. So again, I have to remind you all, go and highlight the perimeter of the figure. You have to add this entire thing to this one, okay, and then go and label the portion. This is 1, 2, and 3. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 3. Do it in a very structured manner, you're not going to forget. How to find 1? 1 is actually the circumference of a 3/4 circle. Okay, do you remember the formula for the circumference of circle? So circumference of circle will be pi multiplied by d, right? And since it's only 3/4 of a full circle, this is a full circle, so it's 3/4 of a full circle. Okay, now pi is given to be 22/7, so it's 3/4 multiplied by 22/7. And what's the diameter given? The diameter is 7 cm, so it's 7 cm. It's 7/1. So through this into your calculator, what are you going to get? Okay, you're going to get 66/4, and this will be 16.5 cm. So 16.5 cm. Yeah, okay. So let me double confirm 40, 24, 16, 64, 2. Okay, yeah, that's correct. So this will be 16.5 plus what? Plus 2. What is 2? 2 is the radius, so it's 3.5 plus another 3.5, and this will be 16.5 plus 7, and this would be giving us 23.5 cm. Okay, so there are some students who want to write 23.5, some students would like to write 23.5. They are both acceptable, don't worry. Okay, it's perfectly fine. They are both correct. And if your teacher say that it's wrong, I don't know, you need to educate them that this is the same, because they did not specify, they did not say write in fraction or write in decimal. Okay, done.